Good evening. It's kind of strange to be standing in the middle of a movie theater. Sending me a message. Mama. Hello, good evening, everyone. I would like to extend, of course, my deepest respects for the persons or individuals behind this very amazing and impressive project. I'd like to acknowledge Ms. Jennifer Chan. Hi, Jen. Kay Dean Marlo Mendoza. Dean, nandiyan ka? Nasaan ka? Si Dean. And Sir Rex Cruz is with us. And the Honorable Jose Camacho. Hi, sir, from UP Los Baños. And our friends from the DepEd are here, as well as all the other advocates that are present today. So I will no longer read my speech. I just want to greet all of my fellow Green Warriors who are here today. Especially today is Arbor Day. So I hope you all went out and planted some trees today. So in Quezon City this morning, Trina, we planted 1,150 bamboo. Counted ba yun? Okay. So bamboo doon sa floodplain ng Barangay Bagong Silangan. And sa Quezon City, meron din po tayong advocacy na magtanim ng 1 million trees by the year 2030. No? That's the end of my term. My term ends in 2028. Pero sana matapos by 2028, kung hindi, by 2030, 1 million trees project naman po sa amin. And we work with the NGO sector and the private sector. So I just want to congratulate everyone behind this film. It's about time that we came out with an advocacy film like this. And it's wonderful to see all of you here present and eager to see and hear what the message of this film is all about. While I have not seen it, I love the fact that the main actors of the film are children, because I do believe that the hope of our planet lies in our children. No? And yan dun yung naging karanasan namin sa Lungsod Quezon. Kapag medyo may edad na, hirap turuan, pero kapag mga bata, sila pa ang nagtuturo sa amin. Kasi alam nila talaga ang kanilang mga tungkulin bilang tagapagmana ng ating planeta. So I hope we are all inspired by this film. I certainly am very excited to see it. And I know that tomorrow you will be opening in 50 theaters all over the metro. Yes. And I hope everybody can encourage their friends to watch the film, patronize the film, and share its lovely message with all, because at the end of the day, we all know that our planet is at risk. Our planet is suffering, and if we all don't step up and unite and work collectively towards salvaging our planet, we will not have any planet to pass on to our children. So with that, thanks again for inviting me to this premiere. And to everyone here today, thank you for supporting the advocacy of a greener, better, greener country, Philippines, community. And sa lahat ng mga taga Quezon City, meron bang taga Quezon City dito? O marami pa ng taga QC. So rest assured that your city government has put environmental action, climate action at the forefront of our agenda. Alam naman ninyo na our 3 parks, the Quezon Memorial Circle, and Wildlife, and the Mesa Eco Park, lahat yan 83 hectares na yan of green space. Pero hindi po tayo titigil dyan. Ang akin din commitment sa inyo lahat, mga cuties citizens, is our 250 smaller parks, community parks. Idodoble po natin yan. Gagawin natin 500 parks by the year 2030. Yan po ang aking commitment sa inyo. So magtanim-tanim na po tayo pag may time. At marami pong salamat muli. And God bless all of us. Mabuhay po tayo. And again, happy Arbor Day sa ating pong lahat.
Thank you very much, Mayor Joy Belmonte.